Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses relays for the ABS module, brake module on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205 are located. Stay with us, we'll work in hidden fuse boxes, we'll share information about hidden fuse boxes and other things that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs, guys. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out and you can see where we get our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the ABS brake module, Kim guys will show you where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays. Today we'll be working in multiple fuse boxes, guys, 3 different ones. Some of those are hidden. Quick advice, guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all 6 different fuse boxes in that Mercedes. Some don't even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Video our subscribers told us to save them thousands of dollars in repairs. First we need to open the driver door, and on the side of the dash you see that cover. If you pry it out, behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, now what we need to check here, you may or may not have this fuse depending on the system, but here on the very bottom, okay, you may have one fuse that you need to check. Okay, right here, that's known as fuse number 211, guys. Okay, so you need to check if you have that fuse, check it out. If you don't freak out. What we guys need to do now, we need to open the hood. Facing the engine on the right side, that's the driver's side. You see that cover here, you see that turning knob, turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise. You have one like that in the back. Lift that cover up right here. Okay, you can kind of see that's the main engine fuse box. It's white box with black cover. Now the cover attaches with Torx 20, 2 screws, 2 bolts. Remove them, open it, and that's the main engine fuse box layout here. Now what we need to check first here, fuse number 118. If you don't have it, again, do not freak out, but we're talking about that fuse right here. Some of you may have, some of you may not have all the fuses, and you need to check fuse number 100, guys, and 21. And on some models, okay, will be a fuse right here that you will, guys, need to check. Next, guys, that's where it becomes interesting. Most likely your main fuses will be at a different location. You see the positive battery terminal right here where you jumpstart your car. If you open it, it looks like this one, right? Well, let us show you something, guys. That's the back side of it. You may have 2 different kinds depending on the year, model and configuration, but here, guys, I want to show you something. Okay, when you open them, Okay, on the inside you have many hidden fuse boxes here specifically, guys, and you wonder where those are located. Okay, here, guys, specifically, most of you will have that design. Okay, that one that you see right here, and that fuse right here, okay, that goes right there. These two fuses are the main fuses for the traction control, ESP and ABS brake module. These two fuses known as C3/1 and C3/2. Those are the ones, guys, okay, that you will need to check. You can kind of see that fuse box on the back side. They'll be located right here, guys, okay, in that connector here. Now, you don't have any relays. Practically, guys, okay, the module is doing the relay function. If you want to see how to replace traction control, ABS brake module, traction control module, we'll have these videos on the channel on Mercedes C-Class W203, but it will be very similar procedure for W205 as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.